Blizzard 013. No power. Pretty brutal last night. The vines are really over them power lines now. Hey, Squirt.
Hi.
I'm filming the aftermath. Well, it's still kind of going on. The cross withstood it as always. YAHSHUA always prevails. You don't like snow falling. You got shellac from that way. This side of the tree is completely bare. I was thinking about riding them bikes. Everything's shellacked with ice. We want to step out here in the frozen floor. Don't fall in no big hole. Go walk by the bush. Yeah. And look up at the top of that tree. See that limb? I can't zoom in with this, but it's snapped off. You see it hanging in the tree from your top right up there. Is where it came off. You see there? And it's laying in the road or in the tree there. The tree caught it. Another tree broke over there, it looks like. Hey, get in the house. Come on, True, back in. Hey, yeah, now bring that, be careful, it's going to be slippery on that wood.
What wood?
The floor.
Yeah.
What wood? Yep, it feels like low 20s out there. Alright, this is the first one. Our windsock shellacked to the pole. Good, YAHSHUA stayed with us the whole time. Kids slept good. Hey, there's Mommy. We gotta film home. What? Just now? Hey again. We'll get that back door view. This is snow here. Shellacked with ice on the front of the house. And it's all fluffy back here. With ice on the lower layer, blowing like crazy. Hadn't even thought about driving. Well, I thought about it. I don't know if the band's even lifted on driving or not. You just saw the ambulance, but I believe they're allowed to drive. Look at that bird in that tree over there. You don't see it? Right under the steps. What is that? It's a big old bird. Wish I could zoom in on it. That's the fire chief, it looked like. Anyway. Provincetown Blizzard. How's everybody doing? We're out of power. Don't know what's happening in the outside world. Gotta go check on them crazy kids. Alright. God bless y'all. YAHSHUA kept us safe. How about y'all?